Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are good. Today we will do work in EVS subject and learn about farm animals. Now you know very well which animals are farm animals. Animals that live on farm and give their products to us are called farm animals. First, we will revise and learn which we have already done. Ready? Now, look this picture. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a cow. This is a cow. Now, learn this spelling. C-O-W, cow. Speak after ma'am. C-O-W, cow. It gives us milk and we use milk to make cheese, ghee and butter. Do you know what does cow eat? Cow eats grass. Now next, which insect is this? Yes, this is a bee. This is a bee. Learn the spelling of bee. B-E-E-B. B-E-E-B. Once again, B-E-E-B. Good. It gives us honey, which is sweet in taste. Now next, which bird is this? Yes, correct. This is a duck. This is a duck. Learn the spelling of duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Once again, D-U-C-K, duck. It is a bird and farm animal. It gives us egg. It gives us egg. Now next, which animal is this? This is a sheep. This is a sheep. Now learn the spelling of sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Once again, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. It gives us wool. Wool is used to make woolen clothes like sweater, cap, gloves. Now we will learn next spellings, goat and hen. Now tell me, which animal is this? Yes, this is a goat. Learn the spelling of goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Once again, G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. It gives us meat and milk. Yes, goat gives us meat and milk. It eats grass. It eats grass. Now next, which bird is this? Correct, this is a hen. Learn the spelling of hen. H-E-N, hen. Once again, H-E-N, hen. Hen is a bird and farm animal. It gives us egg. It gives us egg. Yes, hen and duck both give us egg. Now babies, take out your EVS notebook, write date and CW. Parents, please help your child to do the work. Now babies, write heading with me. Farm animals. F A R M farm. ANI MALS animals. Farm animals. Now put number 1 and draw a cow. You know how to draw a cow now. Draw it fastly. Like this. One oval, one circle, 4 legs, udder, one tail, 2 horns, 2 ears, 2 big eyes and 1 mouth. Draw some dots on a cow. This is a cow. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. Write the spelling. C-O-W, cow. Now write again here. Put number 2. Draw a bee. Draw an oval. 2 wings. 2 eyes. Draw like this. And put some dots. This is a sting. This is a sting of a bee. B-double-E-B. Now write the spelling. B-double-E-B. Once again, B-double-E-B. You will write here. Now put number 3. Draw a duck. Draw a small circle, draw a big circle, V for N and 1 V for N here. Put 1 eye and draw like this. D-U-C-K, duck. Now write babies. D-U-C-K, duck. Once again, D-U-C-K, duck. Right here again. Put number 4. Draw a sheep. Draw a circle here. Draw a big circle here. 4 legs. 1 tail. 2 ears. Now draw like this. 2 eyes, 1 mouth and 2 like this. This is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Right here. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Right here one time more. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Good. Put number 5. We will draw here a goat. Draw an oval. Draw a big circle. 4 legs. 1 small tail. 2 small horns. 1 big ear. Like this. 1 eye, mouth and goat likes to eat grass. Draw grass. This is a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Learn the spelling. G-O-A-T, goat. Speak and write and complete the page. Now put number 6 here and draw a hen. Very simple. Draw a line Draw a semicircle. Draw a big circle. Draw here a small circle. V for van. One eye. Do like this. And here also two legs like this. This is a hen. This is a hen. H-E-N, hen. Once again, H-E-N, hen. Speak and write and complete the page. After finishing your work, show to me. Bye bye.